Hey, yo, what's going on? I'm actually I'm using my iPad as a third monitor here, so no potato today. No potato today. Let me see if I could share some of this stuff with my boys real quick. One of the rules though, don't take a trade pre-market, although I really do want to take a short here. It was a crazy day yesterday. The volatility was insane. I don't know what else to say besides that. About to put a market structure shift on the 5 and the 15. Okay, maybe a short here. Stop loss above VWAP. Up, 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 up. Forgot to drag out take profit there. Oh jeez. Should have went in with just one contract, honestly. See, this is what happens. As soon as I get on the charts, I get itchy. I'm trying not to be itchy today for y'all. We are up on one account. The other account I was up because I traded London session, and then I just immediately traded myself back down. To about break even as soon as this trade doesn't work out. Boom. Now I'm break even. Back to where I was. It's okay though. We will see what's up. We'll actually wait for market open. We'll wait for some jobs data to come out. It's coming out 9:55. We'll wait to see what happens. We'll take a view at the higher time frames. But you know what's crazy is goddamn Trump put America first, man. Trump just put America first, man. Ain't that shit crazy, bro? Ain't it wild? Tell me it ain't wild. Should have kept that short. Should have kept it alive. It's alright though, but Canada and Mexico both back down. Trudeau folded. As soon as Mexico folded, Trudeau folded. But China retaliated, and not that it was a crazy retaliation in the first place. Just a 10% type deal. Yeah, I want to take this short, yo. Give it some room. Ain't no way. Ah, jeez. Okay. Let's align our time frames. Let's do what we're supposed to be doing. This is not going well so far. Should have had a wider stop, honestly. It's ATR on the 1 minute right now. About 9 points. What's that? 412 to 422 makes sense. Makes sense. What am I doing? Is a question. I mean, market is right around VWAP right now. So, and my accounts are both in a sensitive place right now. So what happened yesterday was that I kept trading after the stream because I'm a damn degenerate. And basically, I like, I don't know what happened. I was just making money. It was money all day. If I had a funded, that would have been insane. But hella money. I went up like 15, 20K. And then I realized that a part of the evaluation rules on check the stream, make sure I'm not putting anything personal up. A part of the evaluation rules is that the biggest day that you have shouldn't be more than 50% of your total profit. The total profit goal is 3K. So you're supposed to make 1.5 or less every day. And then what happened was that I tried to lose, and every time I lost, like every time I did the opposite of what I wanted to do, right? Every time I did the opposite of what I wanted to do, I started making money. It was insane. It was insane. And then I had to lose on purpose, and I was struggling with losing on purpose. Like, bro, it was wild. It was wild. And then I kept trying to lose until like I lost like what? I went from 20K up down to like 6K up, and that was still too much. So now I gotta make 13K, or I gotta double that 6K over like the course of 5 days. So that's the goal for this week. I already did it on the other account, so I'm not just trading overnight. So I'm not touching that account no more. I'm playing with this one. It's the My Funded Futures account. We've got some room left on it, but it's real delicate. It's real delicate because there's a trailing drawdown. And I don't want to lock myself out. So, because currently I can't afford. So we're gonna switch our size down to 1, and we're gonna make sure that we're aligning our time frames and getting things going the right way. So let's make a line here, a little trend line. Boom. We got Jolt's job openings coming in. What time is it? Coming in about 20 minutes. So I'm just waiting on that. Indeed. That seems to fit right. Let's align our time frames real quick. So, one on the 15. What's the 15 looking like? 15 is not looking bearish. So I really shouldn't be short today. Now we are just below this trend line here, and this is from London. All right, so I was trading around here, y'all, around like 3 in the morning. All right, I was trading around here and completed this semicircle, but just kept getting stopped out on shorts going up here. So it's definitely on the wrong side of things. I just want to see where we're at, and then we go to the 4-hour. What's the 4-hour looking like? 4-hour, we've got this fair value gap right here, and we're trading within a 4-hour fair value gap from the overnight or over the weekend drop from all the tariffs. So now that the tariffs have backed down, oh jeez, honestly, kind of sort of bullish, kind of sort of, but like I said, y'all, it's a it's a real delicate spot. Now, the great thing about this My Funded Futures account is that there's not a consistency rule, so we can pass it today if we really tried. We just need to know what we're doing. Got to break a structure here. Where is the next OB down there? What about on the 5 or on the 15 actually? 15. Next one's down here. 21,300. Yeah, if we break this trend line, I'll short it. I don't want to play range because that's just too risky for me. I don't know how to play range. Well, I mean, I do, but every time like I do, I'm trying to lose, and then I end up winning more, which is a trip on its own. So, and we are about to break this sell side liquidity. That's why I shorted right down here. But we have yet to do anything significant in terms of the tape, and we're waiting on data. So let's not get crazy with it. I only got so much money left. And yeah, Jolts is red folder, so we can't trade through that. Jolt's jobs openings is at 10 a.m. Oh, never mind. So we could trade the open. Can definitely trade the open. Short here. Come on, respect the trend. Respect the trend. Oh, jeez. That is no good. Hopefully it's a fake out. I really don't think so. Oh, there you go. God damn it. On the wrong side again. How much did we lose there? About 300. Man. Good thing I downsized. That would have been ugly. Let me get a thing of water real quick. I'm gonna pull up the stream actually. Send it to my folks. Shout out the the 6th subscriber. It's my boy. I know it's my boy. So That's nice. I appreciate you being here, yo. You know. Pull it up on my phone, actually. We'll read the news while we're at it, since I don't know how to call price as of right now. I don't know what's going to get me in that mood, yo. Sometimes I fall into a little zone, and I really call things, but not today. Not today, YouTube. So, broke through liquidity here. Where's the next zone? Oh, wow. Next zone is 21,600. Now, I said I doubt that we do that, but look at what happened yesterday, yo. Filled the gap. Filled the gap. Look at this. Down here all the way to down here. And then boom, filled it. Filled it, put in the OB. All right, going long. Bro, I don't know what the fuck my neighbor's doing, but hey, bro, you're live on stream. Let's see. I wonder if it's gonna break this trend line. See, instinct tells me to short. So we're gonna do the opposite. Looks like it's a real break, so finally called something. Of course, unless it isn't. What's the news looking like? Trump expected to sign an executive order on Tuesday restoring maximum pressure on Iran. Trump to host dinner with Republican senators on Friday. Crude falls more than 3% to lowest since late. Do I not have a stop on here? Hold on. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, we'll let that go. Apple App Store revenue up 18% in January. Senior U.S. administration official Trump believes it will take 10 to 15 years to rebuild Gaza. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Those people have been through the worst. Let's see. All right. So we've taken a level here. I'm going to close it out. We did make a fair value gap. I want to see if we respect that or not. My neighbors are going at it. I'm so sorry, y'all. But hey, they're on stream, so it's them. It's not me. Yep, we're respecting it. Wow. Wait, hold on. Where are we going here? I already have. Oh, yeah, I do have TP set. Okay, cool. Move our stop up to that fair value gap. Oh, market open. That's why I'm dumb. Hold on. Close that. We put a wick up, we gonna put a wick down. There you go. Almost up to the break-even point. So let's see what the market does here. Actually, we're about 20 minutes away from the Jolts jobs openings. I can't trade through that, so we're gonna wait for that. Let's see what the market does here. Rejected off a 15-minute fair value gap. And hit Asia high and London high. Can't be London high, is it? That's wild. Oh my god, yo. What dude moans like that, bro? I'm so sorry, y'all. Let me mute the mic until this dude has his orgasms. All right, I think my neighbors are done having sex, so bet we're back. We're back. I think so. Could still hear some, and I do apologize if that's the case, but apartments got thin walls, y'all. What am I supposed to do? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Something's telling me to short here. What's a 5-minute looking like? 5 minutes about to close with a doji. Got about 5 minutes till not 5. We got 15 minutes until news. We'll see what it does. I mean, just by taking a look at the 4-hour, it's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish up until maybe 21.7. See if we can't get a better price actually on a buy. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is reaching for it. Yeah, so I'm a dip buy here, y'all. I'm going to dip buy this joint. We're creating a 15-minute fair value gap, so now Joel's jobs openings is number of job openings during the reported month excluding farming, right? So actual greater than forecast is good. The forecast is 8.01. Previous was 8.10. Feel like market's waiting for data too. I'm seeing some chop here on the 1 minute. I'm thinking we take a lick down before we move up. That's right about here. If I lose it, I'll lose it. It's just one contract. We'll trade one contract the entire way. Fuck it, yeah. Fuck that. Tight stop losses, y'all. Tight stop losses, and we have yet to make a semicircle. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're just on this semicircle, but this could be a stair step. You know what I'm saying? So I guess we can put this like that. Right. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Looks like we're reaching for it, though. Oh, never mind. Just in that little range. It should be dip buying, actually. Should be doing the opposite of what I want to do. Very nice. Very nice. 10 minutes till data. 10 minutes till a new candle. We'll trade on that candle. I missed this move here. For sure. For surely missed that. Yeah, I don't think my neighbors are done having sex. Don't know what the fuck goes on over there, yo. Yeah, I don't even want to buy dips yet, just because we're so close to news and we're so close to an hour change, a 4-hour change. So, not with it. ATR is ticking up. How are the boys doing? The boys, Nvidia's up, Apple's up. Everybody's kind of up right now. Definitely a dip buying day for sure. VIX is ticking down too, so. Hold this for about 5 minutes. Probably retest that fair value gap, stop me out, but at least he'll be in profit. Okay, I'll take that. It's at 400. There you go, there you go. Gotta get up to 3K, y'all. 3K today is possible. It's so doable. Just gotta pick our moments. You know what I'm saying? Pick our moments. Some tight stop losses going, you know what I'm saying? Some damn semicircles going, bro. Shout out the damn semicircles. Like and subscribe if you fuck with a semicircle, yo. You know what I'm saying? This shit crazy, bro. Yeah, next OB is at that 593 level. It sucks I can't take a trade through news, but I'll be dip buying soon as we break through that level, and I'll show you where that level's at. All right, that level's right here on this order block. Right, so boom, we put some damn buy side liquidity there. Right, down here would be sell side. Sell side liquidity, right? Or maybe I got them switched. Either way, it's liquidity, yo, and that's where the market likes to target, bro. You know what I'm saying? And look at that, We could have actually held that on for 5 minutes, but hey, we take our profits where we take our profits. I won't complain about it, yo, because that's the type of mindset that gets you into some trouble, bro. You know what I'm saying? Then you start over trading. I really figured out that a lot of this is psychological, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not like yesterday was a very big macro day. It wasn't very technical. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of volatility within each candle. We're talking about 80 points. Crazy move over the weekend. And then, like as soon as Trump says anything, you know what I'm saying? Like, he's just gone. It's just like, phew. Either way, which way it goes, right? You don't know. You just got to hope to be on the right side. Now, a lot of folks, they end up avoiding those types of days, but those are the type of days that can make your account, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, it's all about what you're trying to do. Can't trade through news. News comes in about 3 minutes here. So, and I'm bullish on these job openings too. So we gotta wait for 2 minutes after to see what's up. And usually if the market's bullish like this, then we have to make a wick down in order to go up. See, it doesn't have to be big, but we'll be dip buying it. We'll dip buy it. We'll give it a wide stop loss. Now that we're up a little bit here. We'll see if we can wait a little bit too. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with waiting. I'm fine walking away, not taking that many trades today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, bro, I was trading all night. I was trading since 3 a.m., bro. I was trading since 3 a.m. And, like, I brought one account to where I wanted it to be. And then I gotta do the same thing the next day, right? And then I got another account, this account, fucking erased what I did, overnight. Just kept trading. So, not gonna try and make that same mistake today. It may be a short stream, y'all, but we'll wait on the macro and the news and see what happens. They talking about the job market, bro. Let me tell you what, bro. I've been getting denied. Shit. I filed for unemployment, bro. Didn't go through with it though, because they was gonna make me suit up and go to interviews to find me a job. Don't want to do that. Kind of all right where I am right now, bro. I'm not unemployed, but I'm part-time. You feel me? Okay, let me take these off because I don't like them anymore. Wow, man. Insane moves. 45 seconds on the news. We will be dip buying as soon as 2 minutes pass on the news. JOLTS job openings in 25 seconds. Now, where would we be in this semicircle? Let's zoom out here. We would be near the top of this semicircle. This is where two of these candles, these 4-hour candles, would be at the top. All right, so we break liquidity. Now the question is do we reject it or do we break through it? If we break through it, we're dip buying all the way through. Boys are climbing. Boys are climbing, especially Nvidia. Tesla's a bit muted for what it's supposed to be. But everybody's up right now. Everybody's up except Meta. And Meta was the outperformer throughout everybody the past couple weeks. So they're not even down by that much. They're going to catch up soon. About 45 seconds, I'll be dip buying here. I bet we fill this semicircle in though first, so I'm gonna wait on that. But if we go through this level, this little 593 level with rigor, you feel me? I'll buy it. So I want to see what we do at this liquidity here. In 5 minutes looking a little bit weak. I'd be pressed to do the opposite of what I'm supposed to do, but on a day like this, kind of want to dip by. Put it in order here. This fair value gap. Stop loss like that. Boom. I want to see where the market takes this at this specific level. Now see, look at these candles, bro. This one hasn't closed yet. So I couldn't even trust this for a short right now. It's got 17 seconds left and it could immediately go up. But the fact that this one is weak, and if this one is weak and it's red, you know, then it's something to take a look at. It's the top of the semicircle, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or it could be a stair step if it don't break through here. You feel me? Yeah. Yup. Approaching that level. I'll buy it. the stop loss right underneath that fair value gap. Now, where should my damn thing be? Where's the next OB? The next PD array? Right up here. Put it right up there. All right. And we'll see where things take us. Now, hopefully we don't sweep this. That would suck. Testing a fair value gap there. Jobs came in lower. Does the market care? Okay, we're riding that up, moving stop loss up, down to that consolidation. And see where this takes us. I mean, to go 100 points up is asking for a bit much, so that's why I'll just be trailing my stop loss with it. We'll see if we can buy dips. So I'll go to market, and we'll see if we can buy dips. And widen the stop loss a little bit, just in case. Canada and Mexico have agreed to enter into a dialogue about actions to deal with 75,000 U.S. deaths per year from fentanyl. Europe is sticking it to the U.S. with their VAT tax won't buy American cars. Panama said to mull canceling port deal with Hong Kong firm. Trump trade advisor Navarro, we are transferring $1 trillion of U.S. assets abroad every year due to trade deficit. Navarro. Buy on that dip. I'll save the last. We can only trade 3 contracts at a time. So I'll save the last for a bigger dip. If we even see it. Looking good, looking good. We got room to run, yo. We got room to run. When's our next like volume stop at? Oh, we got plenty of room to run. All the way up to 720. Yeah, I'll buy that. Move stop up to these guys. Nvidia's up, Netflix up, Tesla up. Meta's going down a little bit. It's kind of swaying things a little bit, but the majority of the market's on our side right now. Yeah, I mean we've got room up until about 720, so I'll drag that back down here. And we're only 1,000 away from hitting the evaluation. Got plenty of room to go. Wow, just a lucky day for real. Mm, 5-minute fair value gap. See if it respects it. Oh, I may take it, y'all. I may just take it here. Oh, there you go. There you go. We'll drag our stop up right under that fair value gap. Yeah. Like there's plenty of room. Volume. What is it? VROP, VRVP from these bars here on the side. Plenty of room. Plenty of room to hit 720. I'll take that. I'll take that. And then we'll just go one tight stop. And 720. Wait for a bigger dip. And Meta's approaching on break even there, so yeah. See about a dip there. About right here maybe. Boom. Oh. It's deciding. It is deciding. Widen the stop just under the fair value gap. And keep it like that. See if we can't average into this. It doesn't look that bearish, but it could flip. Doesn't seem likely though. All right, new 5-minute candle just opened. We did not close the fair value gap. Good signs. Good signs, good signs. I want to see all this get took. If it dips again, I'll buy again. But it'll have to dip hard for me to buy again. Yeah, so we're approaching a little hump here around the 640s. Just need to get over it though. Yeah, once we get over it, it's clear sailings to the 700s. Yeah, I kind of don't want to buy. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case we're wrong, bro. Because that shit happens. Trust. Okay, kind of looking bearish on the 5. Kind of. Still holding this. Any news? Let's see what happens on any China pause. U.S.-China call to take place today on tariffs. Wonder what the time frame is on that. Boys are looking good. Meta just went over, so I'm definitely confident on things going up. Just some humps to get over. Could have dipped bot, but hey, you know, keep our risk as not as low as possible, but it's an eval account, you know what I'm saying? I just need to hit 53. That's all I need to do. You know, if I go on a 15, right, and I zoom out a little bit, and y'all see these bars here, you see how they get low going into 700? Like, that's barbecue chicken, bro. You know what I'm saying? What you know about it? It's clear sailings. All right, we're coming over that hump. Little fair value gap there too on the 1 minute. Very nice. Very nice. Boom. All right, we can call it there. That's 53,500. Go to my funded futures. Target profit 3K. And this is just the eval before they send you into an account where you can make money. So I'm okay with not trading the rest of it. Cool beans, cool stuff, cool stuff. Good day today. Good day today. This is actually my first time. I've actually reset this account like how many times? One, two, three, four, five. About $450 went into this for the chance to make 3K. Right now, we just hit that chance. All right, so we just came into a spot where they will give me an account where I can now take payouts from, right? So I got to perform again, and now I can take payouts, right? That's on one account. The other account, let me log into it here for you. Let me take this out so I don't show you all my personal info. Make sure that's still not showing on stream. There you go. Matter of fact, I'll show you this. Properties. No, that's the notes one. Properties. Is it showing? There you go. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So you see how it says, how am I doing? Right? These are our checklists, right? This is our rule. These are our rules for this sort of account, right? Now let me tell you, bro, this profit right here, right? This is the target, right? Yesterday, bro, I went up to fucking 15K, bro, 20K. And I was like, and then I read the rules again, and it says your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of your total profit, right? And then when I calculated all that up, bro, to make 30K within the next, couple days, like the volatility, like sure, Trump says some and the market goes wishy-washy all crazy and shit, right? But like, bro, I'm not who's doing that, bro? Not me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a professional, yet. You know what I'm saying? I just try to follow my own rules, bro. You know? But I'll log into this account right here and show y'all. So you start off at 50K, right? So I bought a 50K account, right? You start off at 50K. We made 6,850, right? So we're at 568, right? I'm supposed to take it to 63, right? Because the total profit target is 13, right? 13, 14. I'm supposed to take it like 64, right? And I'm supposed to do, I guess the time limit isn't 5 days. You're just supposed to have traded 5 days, right? So it just kind of extends. Like imagine if I kept this account, right? And then that just gives me more chances to lose. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I did? I went into that account and oh my God, bro. I just did the opposite of what I would do. And then I started winning more. And I was so fucked up about it. Oh my God, bro. But then I just kept trying to lose until I got down on the day, till I got down to something a bit more acceptable. You know what I'm saying? And then just the fact that I was trying to lose, and then I kept winning. I was like, bro, like, let me not lose more, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me not lose slash win more. Otherwise, like, it's gonna be impossible to like double this. So I mean, I think this is a bit realistic. Just based off the trades that we've taken today. You know what I'm saying? Just off the open and off an hourly change, off a macro, something like that, right? What's it called? On a more calm, cool, collected day, not a day where Trump threatens every single, like point finger guns at everybody, where everything's volatile. We can do this. We can do this, and I'll log into that account to show you. So let me switch this back over to trade and view. And then if I drag this, okay, cool. I'll log out of this. So I've passed. I'm now funded, or I'm not funded, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? They gonna email me a certificate. I'm gonna post it on the damn YouTubes. Like and subscribe, y'all. It's fucking AtlasCapital, baby. We finally in it, bro. We finally in it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I spent about like 800 total so far, bro. That's how much I've spent. About 800 total, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that ain't shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? That ain't shit for the chance to make 3K, and then do it again, and then keep that same account and just keep doing it every week, bro. Come on. That's just easy money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me log out of this shit. Boom. Up. All right. And then I'll pull this up. All right. So now I'm at 58,365. Right. So how much was that? About 2K, about 1,700. Right. So then I'm not doing anything after that, bro. I'm not touching this account today. Right. Well, I mean, I could, right? I could to hit 13K. All right. One contract. We'll make it real careful. What are the boys doing? Oh, the boys are up. Oh my God, the boys are up. The boys are fucking up right now. Even Tesla's up right now. Bop. Target. Let me work on this, bro. So I'll aim for another K. Just because the biggest day was 6,800. So I can't make any more than 6,800 on the day. Right? If I do that, then I'm pushing my profit target up. You know what I'm saying? So we'll okay. So now that these rules are kind of coming together in my mind, it's kind of clicking a little bit. I can't trade it. I don't have to, but I will. Why? Because I'm a degenerate. That would have been a nice dip buy. 1 minute buy side liquidity. Take a look at the 5 minute. A little bit of consolidation here. So not until we break this 465 am I comfortable with it. Yeah, not until we completely break buy side liquidity am I comfortable with it. Do I short? Quick short? For the consolidation play. Doesn't seem like a plausible play. Just because everybody's up right now. You know what I'm saying? All the boys are lit right now. We'll dip by it. Limit. If it sweeps under here, we'll buy it. On the 700s. All right. Right. See what happens. The 609. What's I want to know what, you know, and like the way that I learned about this sort of way of trading, this like scalping stuff, is through I think his name's just Future Scalper. Is it My Future Scalper? It's just Future Scalper. Just Future Scalper, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, and he's got buys going where. So shout out Future Scalper, yo, on YouTube. I suggest y'all go check him out. He's kind of got like the key, bro. You know what I'm saying? He's kind of got the he's kind of got it on lock. 61,583 is where he's at. He's down to the 580s. all the way down to 552. So he's not trusting none of this. I mean, that could just give us the short.
Well, I guess the type of strategy did not silver this time. Probably for good reasons. Looking bearish. Short-term time frame looking bearish. Although they've been holding good, but this is not entirely bullish.
Yeah, I mean the 5 minutes looking bearish too. So, but we still haven't broken any level here. All right, look at these wicks. Look at this up there. Right, we still haven't broken none of that. So
On any given range, on the speed of the candle, as you saw here on the data, right? When it pops really fast, I hit it more. But if it's grinding, I need to give it more room to add. Like for example, here, this is short-term bearish. It doesn't look too good. I want this to come down to 600, 590 before I do a real long. But if it just kind of do a little dive here, then I may just start one and give it, like if I have to long it, I want to long around the 600, 590 level. But
and look at the way that the consolidation looks on the 5. Like that's chop,
right now,
right?
this is what it looks
What's our rule, bro? You can see it right here, bro. Recognize the fucking chop, bro. If you see the chop, bro, go to the higher time frame. You'll see the chop, bro. You'll see it chop. You'll see it grind.
but do they go
Now this is a real strong candle on the 5, right? But it's still within that range, bro. That's why we're waiting for it to break a range. We're waiting for it to break it around up here, 65 mark.
slightly more if they kind of washed out all this long inventory? They washed out to this 590, 600 area at least. But they don't have to do it. They don't have to do it. Okay.
So he's short up here. We can do that.
Because we already pumped so fast here, so long.
The
And here's the
tight
thing, if
stop
they just
loss.
go straight up like this, if they keep holding like this in the afternoon and they don't sell it, you be careful if you're short because we have another big break coming possibly. Like in the past, I'll see something like this, I'm like, oh, went up
Or
300
maybe
pips, and
not.
now
Maybe
I'm in
just dip by it.
position. And then I start buying zero DTE puts. And then in the afternoon, this thing goes like this. Alright? I'm like, okay, no way it goes higher. And on that day, one day, it went crazy. It went like, I'm not saying it happens today. I'm just saying, when a day goes like this, like a flagpole like this, and all afternoon they keep honestly building.
I mean, bro, like this account, I worked hard on this account, bro. That's why I'm only doing one contract, and I'm being like real picky with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? This seems pretty good though. This specific candle. Look at it on the 5 minute. Little rocket. But it don't confirm none yet, bro. You know what I'm saying? It don't confirm none. Just waiting for a better price if it gives it to us. Future scalper's short right now. He said don't follow him. See, that's not what I'm trying to do. Everything that y'all are finna see me do on stream, mostly it's kind of what I learned from him, right? But it's also a lot of stuff that I've just kind of combined together with scalping, like higher time frame P D rays, macros, just a little bit of ICT work in there too. So that's the game plan, bro. Sorry, guys, there's no potato today. I really do apologize, like, honestly, we could target 800s. Where that green line is on the trend. It's right where the fair value gap is, too, on the 15. See, good thing I ain't buy yet. He's got his order at 600. 600 for a sweep of this liquidity here, which is a good plan. I'm going to do that. Put it right at these candles. All right. Right. Does it wash? Does it go up? I mean, it's kind of trending up, but there's always fake outs involved. You know what I'm saying? All right, so took it. Seems like a sweep, but the 5 minute is looking bullish. So you wait for it to play out. Gonna keep it one contract, keep the stop a little bit wide, give us some room to breathe. A little tap, boom. Just a little tap. Just a little tap. And you see, I only bought one once it hit above 65, right? Once it hit above that 65, and it really like confirmed it right here on this candle, that's when I bought. So that's the game plan, bro. Oh yeah, Meta is up. Meta's up 6 points now. Nvidia is crawling up too. Take a look at the higher time frame. Yeah, so we filled that gap and we're pushing up. Pushing up, pushing up. A little sweep. May just add on a dip here. It'd have to be a hard dip for me to add on it. All right, new 5-minute candle. We'll see if it turns red or green. Definitely red. All right, I'm gonna buy one here. I mean, if we take the sell side liquidity, then I'm out. I'm gonna keep my stop where it's at. Am I married to this position right now? Mm, 5 minutes looking a bit bearish, but a new candle's about to open up here shortly. It could just be a flag. All right, climbing back. Hopefully we don't get rejected. Here, this could be a retest, a little inverse retest. Mm, interesting stuff, yo. Yeah, let it inch up a little bit. I'm gonna close it out. It's not inching. It's not inching. And we got this liquidity here. So the 5-minute does not look like chop though. The 5-minute looks bearish. Look at that. You know. The 15-minute just looks like it's getting tired. All right, let's sell one here. See if it don't break. So that breaks it. We're going to take liquidity there. I'll exit. 200. Where are we at? Erase some. It's okay. Short it again here. Unless this is sweep. I don't think so though. Ah, it's a sweep. It's a sweep. Win some, you lose some. Still though, 5 and 15 look weak, but it's got a hell of a chance to get up there. What I don't want to do is play around with my money until I lose it all. That's the mistake that we end up getting into. You know, I'll cut it off here in about 30 minutes. It's part of our rules. Don't trade after 11:30. So we're in another macro here. I want to short. Tight stop. See, that's what I love about Future Scalper is that he's always talking about locking profits. You know, it's something that I fail to do sometimes. Like right now. I want to see this get filled. And see, I just read tape a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? I read the candles a little bit more, you know, so it kind of influences my decision a bit different. But we'll take it at liquidity. Thirty seconds till candle close. Can definitely stop me out. But I'm kind of having faith on this one with how low it's staying, duration wise. We'll just trail the stop with it. Go for that sell side liquidity. We can lock this. Wait on it a little bit. Want to see if it cracks that. We did break trend line, so we have yet to make a fair value gap, though. That's what we're really waiting on. Market structure shift. All right, so let's drag the stop. Market structure shift, fair value gap. Where's the 5-minute liquidity at? I mean, that's not bad under that fair value gap there. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Could have taken it myself there, you know what I'm saying? There you go. It's okay. Could be a retest, could be a change in direction. Back to where we were. Sort of. Still need to climb a little bit. Tight stop. Targeted again. Any confirmation there? Market's full of fake outs, so you gotta hesitate, you know. And that may end up being that you miss it, you miss the move, but it's alright. You know what I'm saying? There are plenty of chances. That's what I'm learning, bro. Is that there you can trade the market, you know, fucking Monday through Friday, bro. It's nothing crazy, bro. 1 minute fair value gap. Sort of engulfing on the 5. Just kind of seems like chop on the 5. Like, look at the 5. That's the damn definition of chop, yo. These ranges right here, these wicks, all these wicks, is there to fake you out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Market don't like it when people, scalp 1 minute time frames, 5 minute time frames. You know what I'm saying? It'll respect you on like a 15 hourly, maybe 30 minute. You know what I'm saying? But it's just not the way you align your time frames to see how it goes, see how things go. Let's see what it does to this fair value gap. It just tapped it. Usually it likes to tap around here for a real fake out. But sometimes what's called an inverse fair value gap, it'll go through and then retest and then boom. You know what I'm saying? So it's just kind of where it wants to go. Futures is saying that it's going to chop. And I low key see it. So like I said, yo, I'm trying to be careful on this account. We did pass one account though. Let's fucking, you know what I'm saying, bro? Let's fucking go. We passed one account. We're working on this next one. This one's a bit harder, bro. I gotta make 13K total. We're up about like 2-3K, but gotta make 13 total. See, the thing about futures, why you can't like listen to every single thing that he says, is because he's got multiple different accounts, bro. He's got like 15, 20 accounts at once, so that he'll rotate through, and he'll even full port sometimes just because he's married to a position, right? It seems like an easier life, you know what I'm saying? But he's also sponsored, so he could be getting some kickbacks on the accounts that he's getting. But hey, it's how it goes sometimes in the industry. Yeah, definitely a sweep. Let's see what things do here. 5 minutes inching. Market structure shift. I want to see a fair value gap and a retest. You see this damn chop, yo? God damn. Very tiny fair value gap. Oh no, man. We did tap that fair value gap. Let's take that. Stopped. For what? 80, 100, something like that. 150 maybe. Yeah, definitely chop fest going on right now. So that's our rule. We're going to recognize this chop. We're going to wait for a real breakout here. Some real, there's liquidity up here, there's liquidity down here, and it's just not wanting to go on either side. Look at the 15, it's definitely chopped. Oof. Oof, my. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy chop right there. It's insane work. Yeah, but just because we're coming up on it. Alright. Yeah, I definitely want to buy it. Just want to break that liquidity, yo. Just waiting for it to break that 67 level. It tapped it. Just want to see where the volume profile's at. Big humps right here. That's kind of what's going on. Less humps going through the 700s. So Still bullish. Like, even if I miss out here. Not that they can't take it back down to liquidity though, but I don't want to widen my stop. Not on this one. See how there's more wicks up here? It's a bit of a bad sign. Could very likely grind up though. So I'm just keeping it on. Okay, I'm liking this flag. I may size up here. And size up on a dip. Okay, I'm sized up. If I lose it, I'll lose it. Not going well. Jesus. All right, we're 10 minutes from my time limit, so I'm gonna just leave it at that, y'all. I'm gonna leave it at that. Still up on this account, just only up like what, about 800 or so, like 600. So didn't erase everything, as far as work goes. So just keeping it like that. Yeah, that looks like it's rejecting that. So I don't know. It's all chopped up. It's all chopped up here on the 15. Like I said, still bullish for the day, but just don't want to get caught up in this chop. And the best way to keep your money is to stop trading. So we passed one account. That's what I could say for myself today. So now I have the chance to make money, and we will be live streaming that come tomorrow. So I'll see y'all then. Y'all have a good rest of your day. God bless. This is Atlas Capital. That is it for today. Y'all have a good one.